What's up, guys? Desmond here. I am here with NKW Wrestling, and today we are addressing one of the problems with our ring. It's not going to fix all of our problems with this ring, but it's just bare metal in the corners, so we're going to fix that today by using some simple pool noodles. And follow me, and I'll come back on after the intro. So guys, welcome back. Here is the first pool noodle. We're starting on it. This is going to be the middle pool noodle, and we'll give you a demonstration right after NKW Wrestling is done putting it on the corner. So here's a quick...
It's probably going to have to get duct taped.
And it's raining.
Of course it is.
Take it off. Let's go. Okay, guys. It's about 30 seconds after that last scene that you just saw, and for some reason it's been like a minute and it stopped raining already. So we're hopefully gonna get back to it, but during that time, NKW Wrestling has been sitting over here and cutting out these.
Wait a minute. I know what to do.
What are those?
These are the extras.
What are you doing with the extras?
You'll see.
You're gonna cover up the corners or something?
What do you think I'm doing?
Oh, you're gonna put them on the turnbuckles?
Probably. Because they're small.
Yeah, so like that. And right now, when next time you're seeing this, they're gonna be on the ring. Oh my god, and it's raining again. Raining again. Oh my god, it's raining again.